Javion Randall's profile. You produce very good vertical power on the force plates. Your relative peak power was around 78 on each jump. In the 10-yard, you ran between 166 and 169. Joint angles were fairly symmetrical on each stride. The reason you're not maximizing your 10-yard sprint is because you're putting too much vertical force into the ground too early in the sprint. This is why you're too airborne in this picture here, because the more vertical force you put in the ground, the more vertically you're going to go up instead of going horizontally, going out further. We want to gain ground. Look at this 10-yard where Nick ran a 152. See how he has less time in the air? He drives through that back leg more and more horizontal force. As you can see, that back leg, see how much more full triple extension he gets through the ankle and the knee compared to yours where you're not fully locking it out. Small details, but they really add up. This is where horizontal force comes into play with the sled pushes. Your numbers were around 612 newtons, and your relative force production was 7.6. For guys that run 1.4s and 1.5s in the 10-yard, their relative force production in sled push is around 8.5, right in the mid-8s. Now with the hurdle hops, you showed that you have very good ankle stiffness and very good reactive strength with the .122, which is great. Bench press, for your size, you have definitely some upper body power. This can also be increased. You need to be around the 800 range, hopefully by the end of next year. The vertical power of your squats was solid, with 722. Ideally, we like to get that up in the high 900s by this summer or by this fall. You did very good on chin-ups with 24 reps. That's exceptional upper body relative strength. Then we have one leg squats. This is where we definitely could improve. The right leg is the 111 watts and the 91 watts. The left leg is the 89 and 78. Obviously, you are a very explosive athlete, but if we can get that left leg to generate the same amount of force that right leg does, you're going to be even more explosive.